In order to access Canvas, please log into your TU portal. Once you're logged into your TU portal, you will scroll down to the left-hand side where you see TU applications. Click on Canvas. Once you have click on Canvas, it will prompt you to the Canvas login page. If you have not logged into Canvas before, please log into Canvas. Once you are in Canvas, you will be automatically shown the dashboard. The dashboard is a very useful tool where it shows you all the upcoming assignments and also previous assignments. The next tab is course. This is where you will find all the classes that you need for the coming semesters. This courses will be uploaded by the professor, and during once classes start, you can start seeing your classes here on the course. You can also access your old classroom by clicking on all courses. You can highlight and pin whichever class that you think is the most important. Sometimes professors will forget to remove you from their class from past enrollment, so you can just unpin that for certain class. The next one is the calendar. The next tab is the calendar tab. This is really useful for students who like to look at all their classes in a calendar point of view. You can do month, you can do week, you can do an agenda, and it will show you the assignment also on the right-hand side. The next tab is the inbox tab. This is where you can email your professors and also where they can email you. Some professors will want you to use the inbox tools in Canvas. However, some professor will want you to email them directly. The next tab is history, where you've been on Canvas and for what reason. Canvas has added new features called the Commons, where you can learn other courses and you can just click on them, whichever one interests you. Also, the next tab is Studios, where you can add videos, record things. And then last is the Help tab. If you have any help, you can click on this tab for any problems.